Are you still rocking an email ID like Coolboy or Dad's Angel? Seriously, when you send a formal email with that name, people actually think you're joking. If you don't change it to your real name right now, your professional life is going nowhere. Hold on. Today we're going to kick that cool boy spirit out and welcome a respectable name. Watch the full video, or even Google might tell you, buddy, this isn't for you. First, open your Gmail app. Now listen closely because this is where everyone messes up. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner. Pay attention here. If you have multiple email IDs like I do, the whole list will pop up. First, click and select the specific ID you want to rename. It's super important to select the right one first, otherwise you'll change the wrong name and wonder what happened. Once the right ID is selected, tap that profile icon again and click on Manage your Google account. Now, you'll see the Personal Info tab. Just give it a gentle tap so we can get into the settings. Short pause. Scroll down a bit and you'll see Name. Click on that. That's it. Now kick out that old Cool Boy or Dad's Angel and type in your new professional name right there. By the way, whose idea was it to keep Cool Boy anyway? Yours or that friend who calls himself Smarty? Tell me your funniest old email ID in the comments. After typing your new name, hit that Save button at the bottom. Look, I just changed my ID from GMS Hindi to GMS Hunt right now. Task complete. Your name is officially updated and now you can send emails without any second thoughts. If this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button right now. I'll see you in the next one with more tips. Until then, bye-bye Cool Boy and welcome GMS Hunt.